friends, welcome back to SmartKin. Friends, having a basic hand tool kit is essential for every household. Whether you are a homeowner, renter, or DIY enthusiast, having the right tool at your disposal empowers you to tackle a variety of tasks and projects around the house with ease. From simple repairs to more complex renovations, a well-equipped toolkit ensures that you are prepared for whatever challenge comes your way. In today's video, we will explore top 7 basic hand toolkits that are essential for any home, helping you to make informed decisions about which tools to invest in for your needs. Let's dive in. On number 7 is Agro 104 pieces professional tool set. On number 6 is Amazon Basics 32 pieces household tool set. On number 5, Tenley STHT 74982 Small House Toolkit 30 pieces. On number 4, iBell HT17 30 pieces hand toolkits for household. On number 3, Cartman 148 pieces tool set Journal Household Hand Toolkit. On number 2 is Bosch 12 pieces hand tool kit, versatile and durable set for basic household needs. And on number 1 is Black Decker 126 pieces compact hand tool kit. This is a comprehensive solution for household DIY and emergency maintenance. So friends, these are the top 7 basic hand tool kits for your home requirements. I hope this video is going to be useful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and take care.